What if you could help design high-rise towers, shape stunning commercial spaces, estimate million-dollar construction projects, or even lead your own firm without becoming a licensed architect? Sounds impossible? It's not. Architectural technology is one of the most dynamic, hands-on pathways into architecture, construction, and design. And the career opportunities? They are diverse, high-paying, and growing fast. Today, we're going to explore what jobs you can actually get with a diploma in architectural technology, and why this might be one of the smartest career moves you can make. Welcome back to the channel where we dig into real careers, real training, and the industries that are shaping Canada's future. If you've been wondering whether architectural technology is worth it or what kind of work and income it can lead to, this video will answer all of that and more. Let's get into it. Architectural technologists are the technical backbone of the built environment. They are the ones who know how a design idea turns into a standing structure. You're not just drawing buildings, you're drafting construction-ready plans, solving design challenges, applying building codes, coordinating with engineers and builders, and using tools like Revit, AutoCAD, and SketchUp. You understand structure, materials, regulations, workflow, and cost because your job is to make sure it all fits together in the real world. And that's what makes you indispensable. So what roles can you step into with an architectural technology diploma? Let's break down the top jobs and how much they pay. First up, architectural technologist. This is the core role. You will be working in architecture or design build firms, producing permit drawings, coordinating zoning details, developing 3D models, and handling construction documents. In Canada, the average salary ranges from $55,000 to $85,000 a year, and obviously with experience you can cross that $90,000 mark. Next, BIM Specialist or BIM Coordinator. This role is all about building information modeling, especially using Revit. These professionals are essential on large and complex projects. Salaries range from $65,000 to $95,000, and top-tier BIM professionals can easily hit six figures. Now, let's talk about construction estimators. This is a numbers-focused role where you analyze blueprints, calculate materials, and predict project costs. For those with construction experience, this is a natural next step. It's also a strong path into project management or contract administration. You will find these roles in development and consulting firms, and the salary, $60,000 to $85,000 on average, with senior estimators earning even more. Project coordinators are next. This is a great fit for technologists who love communication and organization. You will manage timelines, meet with clients, oversee budgets, and act as the bridge between designers and builders. Coordinators typically earn between $65,000 and $95,000 per year. Draftsperson or CAD technician is a common entry-level job. You will be producing technical drawings for buildings, systems, or custom components. The starting salary is around $45,000 to $65,000, but with strong BIM or Revit skills, that number climbs up fast. Interior design technologists work on the technical side of the interior spaces. Think space planning, detailed drawing, and material coordination. This role is in demand in both commercial and residential settings, especially with the builders and product manufacturers. Expect salary from $50,000 to $75,000. Then there is Sustainable Design Specialist. If you're passionate about green building, this could be your path. You will be working on LEED certified projects, passive houses, and energy efficient systems. Graduates in Canada can write LEED Green Associate exam at a discounted rate within 1 year of finishing their program. Salaries start around $60,000 and climb quickly as the green building industry grows. Urban planning or site technicians support zoning analysis, land use studies, and development approvals. You'll often work with municipalities, engineering firms, or planning consultants. Salaries typically range from $55,000 to $75,000. And finally, technical sales or product representative. If you are outgoing and understand building systems, you can represent architectural products like windows, HVAC systems, or energy solutions. This role blends business and technical skills. And with commissions, many reps make well over $90,000 per year. Architectural technology grads are everywhere. They're working in architecture and design firms, engineering consultancies, real estate development, municipal planning departments, commercial construction firms, interior studios, sustainability consultancies, and even in manufacturing as a product designer or consultants. Your diploma is a passport, not just into architecture, but into the entire world of built environments. At MCG Career College, our architectural technology program is designed to make you job ready in just 2 years. You will train in industry standard tools like Revit, AutoCAD, SketchUp, and BIM platforms. You will learn building code, structural systems, and how to manage real construction documents. Our students also gain field experience through practicums and direct exposure to industry professionals. This program gives you a direct step into the workforce while introducing you to every member of the integrated design team. And because this industry values lifelong learning and growth, many of our grads go on to expand new specialties, certifications, or even degrees later in their careers. Bottom line, you graduate ready to work and ready to grow. So if you love buildings, design, and technical side of how things come together, architectural technology could be your launchpad. You don't need a 5-year architecture degree to build a career you're proud of. This diploma puts you on job site, in the design studio, in the room where real projects come to life. If this video helped you understand the possibilities, hit that like button. Subscribe for more career breakdowns and industry tips. If you have got questions, drop them in the comment. We are here to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
MCG, making communities great.